Did you know that data validation is just a fancy term that means you can control what type of data goes into your cells, whether that be a date, a whole number, or from a specific drop-down list? Let me show you what I mean. All right, so let's say I'm managing a simple sign-up list. We have the sign-up date, the name, age, and waiver on file. And I want to make sure that the future entries match the correct format. I want to make sure these are dates. I want to make sure these are names, these are whole numbers, and this is a binary yes or no. We're going to use data validation to actually do that. You can go up to the data tab up here, and then your data validation tools are going to be right there. And I'm only going to apply it to this row. We could apply these rules all the way down if we wanted to, or to an entire column, but I'm just going to use this row here and just apply data validation one cell at a time to show you how to do it. So for the date, we're going to go to data validation. We're going to select to allow a date that is less than or equal to, and I'm going to type in the formula today, because that means that it's going to be only allowing days today, whatever today may be, and days prior, because you can't sign up in the future. So hit that. For this one, we're just going to use a data validation that enforces text length, and we're going to do text length with a minimum of 2 characters and a maximum of 100 characters. So that pretty much covers every name we could come up with. Then for the age, we're going to do a whole number data validation, so allow a whole number, because we don't want people saying that they're 38.7 years old. That's something I would do. But instead, we're going to do an 18-year minimum age and a maximum age of 150, because, God bless them. Hit OK. And then for waiver on file, this is going to be a data validation list. We're going to do a list here, and it's going to be a short list. It's just yes, comma, no. I'm just going to hard code it right in there, yes or no. And now, you have to put in a date. If you put in anything else, that doesn't work. So we can put a date. Let's just say the next day, the 14th. We can put in an actual name here, and that would work. But if I had put, let's say, a number, that wouldn't work. For the age, we have to put in a valid number. Can't put a letter, so let's put 38. And then for waiver on file, we can't put question mark or anything like that. We have to actually put yes or no. And that is how you can control what goes into the cells and what the proper formats are to ensure that everything flows as intended.